was 2 and 3. That's simple. We go to the right 2, we go up 3. The next was 3 and 4.5, so we go to the right 3. And we're going to go up to the whole number 4, but do I stop at 4?
Now you go up.
Right, because we got to go up 0.5. I know 0.5, that's going to be somewhere between 5 and 4. So I'm going to put it right on the line. That's halfway there between the 4 and 5. And the last one was 5 and 7.5. I find 5 and follow it up to 7. So I know for sure 7's there. But we got to add the 0.5, so I go up to the next line, which is halfway between 8 and 7. Students struggle with that a lot. Whenever it's a half, the 0.5.
Miss Polly, the thing that messed me up is, I don't know what messed me up. I just did like so 0, and I went up 1.5 for the 0.
So maybe you're looking at the rule by accident? Yes. So right now, the middle piece where it says process, you're not normally going to see that on a table, but that's there to help us to know how we're getting our output. So it won't be as confusing when y'all look at the independent practice later on. You'll see what I'm talking about. But good, you caught your mistake. All right, let's look at the back. Okay, I need someone to read number 4 for me. Please go ahead.
Miss Schneider is purchasing party hats for her daughter's birthday party. And the relationship between the number X and the number of packages she will buy, and why the number of party hats can be represented by the equation y equals 6x.
So by this equation, y equals 6x. Okay? So, I'm curious, my students that are helping me with the video today, would any of y'all like to volunteer to come show me what you did? Okay, Reese, you can come up. Lily, you'll be after him, and then Everett. So Reese, if you want to come up and show us what should go in this first box, and then I want you to graph it.
Okay.
And explain to us what you're doing.
So, since your rule is y equals 6x, does the x mean multiply or divide?
Multiply.
So, I would write it right there, but I don't really know how to spell it. So,
That's okay.
we could just put, so we do, what's 1 times 6?
6.
So, we put 6 right here.
Yes.
Then we would have to go to graph it, so it would be over here or right here.
Right there.
And then we would go up 6, right?
Yes, sir.
And then we would mark it.
Okay, very good. Lily, come on and show us the next one. Patrick, but then I'll have you come next.
Okay, so what's over there?
Y times
6.
What's 3 times 6?
18.
Okay, so do we go all the way over here or all the way up first?
All the way
Right.
around.
So we'll go over 3, and then how many up?
18.
You have to be a math surgeon and hover over it.
Good.
Is it right here? Right there?
Yeah.
We can't see them all. Good job.
Awesome. Yeah, Everett, would you like to show us the next one? Y'all are doing amazing.
Okay, so our rule is what?
Y
Y equals 6. So we're gonna do 4 times 6, which is
24.
and then
4
4 right there.
Yes.
Okay, go up 25. Go over 24 right here.
Yes.
And that's that.
Good job.
Okay, and Taylor is going to show us the last one.
So our rule is times 6. Okay, so what's 7 times 6?
42. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so would we mark 7 up here?
On the right.
Okay.
That's all the way up there.
Oh,
And it's
Awesome.
in a smooth and silky line.
Yes, just like Mrs. Elliott likes to say.
Silky smooth.
So we should be able to draw a silky smooth line through all of those points. What happens if the line is not silky smooth?
no, then you draw something wrong.
So I go back and double check. All right, let's keep going. Look at number 5. I need a volunteer to read number 5. Brody.
Mrs. Grant wants to get several 8 times 10 photos developed from her vacation. The equation y equals 3.6x can be used to determine y, the total cost for getting x number of photos developed. If the table below correctly represent the situation, justify the answer.
Okay, so we're trying to see, does this table represent our rule, y equals 3.6 times x? So if we pay attention, this top row is labeled x, the bottom row is y. So if we were to write above it the ordered pairs, it would be 2 and 7.2, and so on, 3 and 10.8, and so on. You're just putting them together as an ordered pair. If it's easier for y'all to do it this way, where you can see the ordered pair easier, you can write it like that. So to get 7.2, are we multiplying 2 by 3.6? Okay, we can test it out, right? So 3.6 times 2, when we multiply it, we do get 7.2. What about the next one? 3.6 times 3, does that give us 10.8? Okay? So if we were to test it out, 10.8, oh, sorry, not 10.8, we want to do 3.6 times 3. Okay, I got 10.8.